Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Kainat and today we will talk about the improvements that you people have got in yourself but you don't know that how to recognize them. So for recognizing those improvements, today I have brought one tip. Through that tip, you people can know that how much improvement I have got in myself and how much improvement is being got by me in myself. Okay, so let me give you the introduction of that tip to you all first. So the name of that is record yourself. Nothing biggest is required to this tip without a phone and 5 minutes. Just use phone and give 5 minutes to yourself. And I'm pretty sure about this thing that unless I tell you the benefits of this tip, you people are not going to use this. So let me tell you all the benefits first. If you use, you will have three biggest benefits. This is for beginners. If you use, you will have three biggest benefits. And one of them is this, that you can easily recognize your mistakes. If you people are making mistakes in English since very long time of period and you people are unaware of this, that how to correct them and how to recognize them, just record your voice continuously, because unless you keep consistency in any work, you can't complete that. Okay, so for getting mistakes and getting improvement in those mistakes, you have to keep consistency. Continuously make videos and record your voice, and in only a month you will have results. Okay, now this is first benefit. Second benefit is this, that you people could be habitual of coming in front of camera. Most of beginners get shied by somebody or from themselves when they come in front of camera, which is not biggest thing. I myself is standing in front of camera and without anything. So when you record your voice, you will have to come in front of camera, you will have to speak, right? So this is also a benefit which is necessary in these days. And number third is this, that you will have a confidence. Now your question is arising that which kind of confidence we will have through recording our voice. Biggest confidence you will have, especially you will have the motivation from yourself. First I talked about benefits, but now I'm talking about the things where you will be correct, the place, the location where you will be doing biggest amazing things. From those things you will have confidence that I am right on these places and I could be more better if I improve myself more and more. Okay, so these are three benefits, and if you want to check the result, then use this tip for 1 month. Before a month, record your voice, and then after a month, record the voice. Then match those both videos with each other and then see the result. Are you making more mistakes in this video or in this video? Okay, so hope that you people understood what I tried to make you all understand, and this video was for beginners. If beginners are newly trying to improve English, then don't forget to watch my videos. Thank you.